We're back at everybody's favorite Waldbaums. Commack! You know what that means? It's Tx2 time, baby. And there they are, right where I left them. And we got a good amount of bottles to do today, too. Oh, that sounds lovely. Oh, somebody's on this machine. Oh, it's frozen is what it is. It's actually frozen. It's frozen. It won't do shit. Hang on. We gotta fix that. But she's still frozen with $2.30 locked in the database, so I'm gonna have to fix that. So you know what? We're starting with the plastic today. Nothing's perfect. Let's see if it takes this. I got this at Five Guys. It does? Now we get the big bag going here. Oh no, it's okay. Oh, the barcode scanner doesn't reach that far. Come on, you can't see that? Oh, it's right there, come on. I'll deal with that one later. Oh, it's stuck. Up the barcode. Try that one again. No, it doesn't like that one. See what we can do about this thing. I see nothing wrong with that barcode. Oh, somebody left. Let's see if there's anything in the trash bins. Oh, there's plenty. All I got to do is get him to fix the camera sheet. I gotta keep trying that bottle though. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Oh, maybe if I can hit the button. That's not a very good lock. The lock must extend. Yeah, this is when we start screwing with the bottle a little bit. Anything up there? I love how it says please recycle. I'd love to if your machine took it. Nothing up there. Got it. 46 plastic at 5 cents. Now I just have to get somebody to fix the can machine. Anybody in there? Alright, I guess we'll pick up when I fix it.